A major player in the restaurant scene at Yonge and Eg has decided to offer their services once more and provide their delicious food that many patrons have come to love over the years. Today you'll learn how to order from and support one of your favorite purveyors of Mexican food and the first ever guest back in the day on YYE, Your Yonge and Eglinton, La Carnita. When you head to lacarnita.com, you'll see that there are a ton of options for dinner, including various burritos, bowls, nachos, and even a build-your-own home-style taco kit that includes 10 shells and all of the possible toppings you'd want. They also have a Beyond Meat chorizo option for all the vegetarians and vegans out there. La Carnita can be a one-stop shop for your meal as they have your beverages and dessert covered as well. Add some very reasonably priced Ontario craft beers to your order from places like Leftfield, Side Launch, Ace Hill, and Bellwood's Brewery. They also have your traditional Mexican cervezas like Modelo and Sol. Corona was notably absent from the list. Finish your dinner with some fantastic churros dipped in a delicious caramel sauce. For your next Mexican food craving, head to lacarnita.com to place your order for pickup or delivery.